We are having a crawfish party, and here are the crawfish we are going to cook. Here is a very handsome gentleman. He's washing the crawfish, right? Hey Jake, do you like to eat crawfish? Oh wow, that's brave, really, really.
He's bigger. Mine's bigger.
Which one
Oh
is
no,
bigger?
yours is bigger.
Huh?
Yours is bigger.
I love big dogs.
This is a director of our chain supply for this party. Here what do we have, huh? Potatoes, right?
Yes, potatoes. We're going to cook those first.
The supply chain director was demoted to be a crawfish cleaner now.
Zizi, I'm not demoted yet. I'm trying to make sure we got clean crawfish.
You are helping, right?
Yes, I'm helping.
Okay.
When you're supply chain manager, you got to look at all parts.
Here has 3 chefs for cooking crawfish. The middle one has over 20 years of experience of cooking crawfish. Here are all kinds of seasoning we are going to use for cooking crawfish. Typical Louisiana seasoning here, garlic, and all kinds of stuff. Here are the equipment for cooking crawfish. And here we have a huge open tank.
What? Oh, you won't speak it.
Here we have a lot of corn, mushroom.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Put it here for now.
There you go.
Here has all kinds of drinks. Beers are not here yet. We have Jason and Chad. They are setting up this kind of game called horse shoot.
Just kidding.
I think you'll be all right.
1-0. What do you play to? 1 or 2? That was close. There it is. Oh. All right.
First time for me to play this game. See how it works.
First time.
Maybe it's terrible. No. Oh, God, no.
From Britain. First 5th century.
Okay. Here's a director of beer supply.
What were you thinking?
Almost ready.
So I think we got one of these because it's the last one. Yeah. Right? That'd be awesome. They got seals and everything.
garlic and powder here. And you stir it. This is Jordan, another great chef for cooking crawfish.